Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we got another unboxing video coming up. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what we got. Okay. Yes, there she is. Let's get this bubble wrap off of here. Come on. Maybe I need to cut the tape, or maybe it'll just peel like that. Oh ho ho! This is exciting. Come on. Pesky tape. I might just have to cut some of this maybe. Oop. That was a little scary there for a second. Aha, and there we go. Okay, so oops, sorry, just had a little camera failure there for a second. So right here, this is a vintage 1960s, I believe early 60s, Structo Bulldozer. It's made of pressed steel. I got this to go with my Tonka excavator and my Structo dump truck that I unboxed a while back and have made lots of videos of. So right off the bat, first impressions, this thing looks really good. It looks real. It's made of steel. The only plastic I could find on it are the engine and the seat. Honestly, the engine is still intact, which is impressive because I've seen some where it's missing. It's missing the exhaust stack and I think there's supposed to be an air cleaner that goes there, but it's got a little bit of rust and some play wear here and there, but overall it looks pretty good for its age. Tracks are intact. So it's got this lever here that you use to move the dozer blade up and down, and it has like locking positions so you can lock the dozer blade into different positions. Tracks still roll very well. Oh yeah, nice. I want to say, do they move independently or do they move together? Oh yeah, they do move independently, which means I wonder if you could like rotate it. Overall though, I want to thank y'all for watching this little unboxing, and don't worry, this dozer is going to be featuring a lot of upcoming videos alongside my Tonka backhoe excavator and my Structo dump truck, so stay tuned for that. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a nice day and God bless.